to my channel. So for today, we're gonna be making this old-fashioned style lemonade. I've been wanting to share this recipe with you guys for a while now because every time I make it for friends and family, they just get blown away by the taste. It's very unique and it's very easy to put together as well. Like all of my recipes, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to click that button down below because I upload every other day very unique recipes like this one right here. Let's get started. Alright my friends, so to start this old-fashioned lemonade, I'm going to be starting off by making my syrup. This is 3 cups of water, which is going to be brought up to a boil while I juice all of my lemons. You will need a total of 8 lemons for this recipe. The first lemon I'm going to be slicing into circles, and you want to place them right into the bowl which we will be making our syrup in. For the remaining 7 lemons, go ahead and squeeze out all of that juice and add all of that juice right into the bowl with the slices. For those of you who are new to my channel, I upload recipes every other day. They're always quick little videos of easy recipes like this one right here. Like I said, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out on them. Now, once all of that lemon juice is ready, you're then gonna add all of that sugar. This is 1.5 cups of sugar being added. This makes a half a gallon of lemonade, so don't be alarmed because this lemon juice is super sour. Don't forget, you can always adjust this to your liking. By this time, the water should be boiling, so go ahead and add all of that water to the lemon sugar mixture. Mix it around a bit to dissolve all of that sugar and let this cool down to room temperature. Get the pitcher ready with 4 cups of cold water and add all of that syrup and water into the pitcher. Mix everything up well and this old-fashioned lemonade is ready to enjoy. I don't know about you guys, but there's something about drinking a cup full of 8 juiced lemons that makes me feel so good on the inside. This powerful lemon drink has the most sweet and tart taste, and adding all of that hot water to the lemon juice really gives this lemonade its unique flavor. You just have to try it out one day to see what I'm talking about. Be sure to leave a comment down below if you've ever made this style of lemonade, and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my website and my channel that are jam-packed full of more quick and easy recipes. Enjoy everyone, and I'll see you next time.